Anyways, so if you go in here into this closet, I have to scrape off all the paint off the glass block windows because for some reason they wanted to spray paint on them. And then here's the holes. See how this one has a piece of wood in it? See if I can. I don't know how to turn the light on in here. It's like way up the ceiling, but this is like a piece of wood in there. So they used that like as nails or something. And there's like holes everywhere. I have to fill it with foam, and then there's that hole you could see through too on the other side. And then I have to fix this because when I was yanking that off, I cracked this whole frame. So we'll have to fix that too. And then these windows, they're gonna be challenging to get to since I decided to put a dresser in front of it. And then that's one of the mirrors that we're gonna hang up in the bathroom. It has the lights on it. It's the one I bought for the other bathroom, but decided to bring it here instead. And then the window in here, it doesn't look that bad. This probably just needs a good wipe down. I don't really see too much on it, but it might be because it's also like that shaded stuff. And then this closet, I didn't really see any holes in here. Just needs to be sanded. Oh yeah, you like my little cabinet. And then this one has those giant holes up there. And in here, there's another door. Got doors everywhere. And then in here, there's, you can see I started to scrape the paint off these two, but not the other four. So you can see the difference. There's so much paint on it. And then we have all these holes that I have to fill. Oh, stepping on the doorknobs. And then there's more holes. And a couple more holes. And then here's all the doorknobs. I just labeled them and put them on the floor. It's part of a baseboard. That's a dehumidifier to pull the moisture out of the air. And then this window, it's still got some of that silicone stuff on it. It's really sloppy. And I gotta do that window. And then in here, more holes. So you can see how long it is. That's how you know it had the wood in it. It's just an odd thing. I guess they did that back in the old days. There's holes everywhere in the closets. So I just gotta fill those in today and hopefully work on the windows too. This one doesn't really have any holes in it.